Oh. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Breeze. We are here in Aluna, where we are visiting our farm lot. And it was in the... Yes, there is a river. Hello ma'am. As of now, somebody is, I think, repairing the road. People is, they have a construction in here. Oy, be careful. My daughter and family is visiting our farm lot. Unsa may pagkakuan ani ma'am? May pagka
among kauban.
Oo.
Inani ang tabo. Among kauban. Nag among gipialan ani. Dali ra pud ni kay kauban na.
Oo.
Kay ayon.
Oo.
Ang usang partner niya sa Cagayan, ako sa Sabadon. So sila ang among giasaban na ani.
Hello guys, this is our property and it's still not yet done, the fence, but they said that it will be, as they finish this one, to fill up that one, and this one needs to be done again, and next they will do ours, the fencing, and so we can order some materials for our land. This is a little kubo that nice to stay or chatting, and this is one of the person who is assigned in doing the construction in here. And there is a clean water.
We will finish first after the no world.
Diri mo puyo si RR. Dirita mo puyo no anang lugar o
Iyahay tayo.
Ako ning akong anak ug kanang apo ug kanang manugang nako. RR. Isa sa mga pansaka developer. Dere. Parang hindi yan. Papader. So na ma'am, ato sa mi. Thank you very much. Sana nga ma'am, asahan namin na mapadali ang trabaho ba. Maraming salamat po. Oo. And they're repairing this one, really damaged. Tanaw kay dili sa dulo ha. Hoy. Wag masyadong sa dulo at baka gumuho yan na. Graba. They're working so hard. Kaway-kaway para sa YouTube channel ko. Kaway-kaway para makita sa TV. Ma Victoria Breeze, BRYS. Please subscribe, like, comments, and share. Kaway-kaway para sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you.
What are you doing? It's good.
They're making fast. There is big improvement in our Aluna
It is
proper.
improvement.
They're
Absolutely.
doing the road faster, and Mirik is happy that he see there is improvement.
We still don't know when we're going to build. So we know.
Hello! Para sa YouTube channel, kaway-kaway kayo dyan. Thank you. So we are here now in Awan.
Wala na nilas ni mo guys.
Tin, punta ka na sa tubig. Ar.
Have a lovely time. No people. On us. And the water is nice and cool. And it's not so hot. So it's great. Last time we here water was like soup. Really was no pleasure to go into it. But if you can have family enjoying themselves. Because normally this is waterproof, but not when it's in the mud. If it's an original thing, but I don't know where is the original one. Somewhere in the box. A little RBN first time, and he enjoying. Nice. This is no people whatsoever. Lovely. Rysiu, to jest beach, ta plaża jest, chłopaki, ta plaża jest jakieś 15 minut szybkim krokiem od miejsca, gdzie mieszkamy. No nie jest za specjalna, jest tak trochę taka szarobura, ale woda ciepła jak zupa i nigdy nie ma ludzi. W tej części Filipin nie ma wielu turystów, bo nie jest zbyt atrakcyjne.
So we are eating some crepes and juice, drinking juice, and Mirik is eating there. There is some local doggy in here. Kan init na oning init. Balik na pod. So guys, we are leaving now. We finished swimming and we're going back home. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. Don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified in our next video. Thank you once again and bye bye. See you till next time.